This video is on solving simultaneous equations graphically. So I have to solve these equations graphically. So what I will need to do is I need to draw the graph of this equation and draw the graph of this equation. I'll start with the top one. So I think it will help me if I rearrange the equation. So if I have y minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, if I rearrange it to make y the subject, so I will have y is equal to 2x minus 3. Now I can see my y-intercept is going to be minus 3, so I'm just going to mark that on my axis. So that's going to be here. Now I need to find another point so that I can draw this graph. So I'm going to look at what my y is when x is equal to 5. So let's see what y is equal to when x is equal to 5. Minus 3. So 2 times 5 is 10, take away 3 is 7. So I can't fit that on my graph. So y is equal to 7. So I'm going to look for another point. Let's try 3 now. So what is y? So y is equal to 2 times 3, take away 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, take away 3 is 3. So y is equal to 3 when x is equal to 3. So I'll mark that. So 3 and 3. Okay, and now I can draw a straight line through those points. So it'll be a straight line through here and there. Now I need to draw the graph of this one. I'll do that in a different color. So I'll use that color. Now I can see that this graph will have a negative gradient. So when I make y the subject, x will go over, it will be minus x plus 3. So let's just write that first. So I will have, I have now x plus y is equal to 3. So x plus y is equal to 3. And then if I rearrange that, I'll have y is equal to minus x plus 3. So the y-intercept is 3, so I'll mark that on my axis. Now I need to find another point so that I can draw this straight line. I'll try when x is equal to 4. So what is y? So y is equal to minus 4 plus 3. So y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so when x is 4, y is equal to minus 1. So let's plot that here. So when x is 4, y is equal to minus 1, which is about there. And let's draw this line. Okay, obviously the line goes further than this. It goes all the way through and then all the way through there. That's how you should be drawing it. But here we can see what the solution is for these simultaneous equations. So everywhere on this blue line are all my solutions to this equation. So any point here, if I take the x value and y value, this equation will be true. And anywhere on my red line, so for example here, if I take the x and the y, this equation will be true. So the red line is all the solutions for this equation. The blue line is all the solutions for that equation. And there's only one place where both of them have the same solution. So the coordinates for that point are, so this point here is, 2, 1. So the answer to my equations here, so these simultaneous equations, the solutions to these are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, because this is where both of my equations are true. So when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, I have the solution for both of these. Now here's a question for you to try. So solve these simultaneous equations graphically. Now draw your axes from minus 1 to 6 in x and minus 6 to 4 in y. So that should help you see where they meet. And then check your answers by solving them algebraically. So do these questions and then bring that to the lesson.